Hey there YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about unlocking the doors to online success with Wealthy Affiliate. I'm excited to share my personal journey and the incredible benefits that come with joining this dynamic community. Let's dive into the game changer, Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. These are purpose-built features designed to simplify and enhance your niche website creation and management. From core training to structured website building, these hubs are your secret weapon for efficient niche website development. First up, we have core training at your fingertips. Access a comprehensive training program tailored to affiliate marketing. Set your own pace, track progress, and achieve milestones all within the hub. Structured website building is the next big thing. Choose from niche-specific hubs with suggested website structures. Organize your content effectively and optimize for SEO effortlessly. Guided writing tasks, that's your personalized content roadmap. Receive curated writing tasks aligned with relevant keywords. Plus, leverage integrated content creation tools including AI writing and grammar checkers. Niche research made easy. Utilize the powerful Jaxi tool within the hubs to research profitable niches, discover high-impact keywords, and explore domain options. Craft engaging content with built-in tools and enhance it with visuals from the image library. Now, why should you embrace Wealthy Affiliate Hubs? They aren't just another feature, they are your pathway to efficiency, quality, content, SEO optimization, and community support. But wait, there's more. Wealthy Affiliate offers comprehensive training, effortless website building, powerful keyword research tools, community support, direct access to the owners, and affordable pricing. So are you ready to take the next step towards your online success? Visit Wealthy Affiliate now, sign up for the free starter membership, and immerse yourself in the training. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and here's to unlocking your full online potential with Wealthy Affiliate. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.